question is again we want to prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. Now here left hand side is secant 4 theta minus secant square theta. This is our left hand side. Now in this case, from these two terms, secant square theta is common and secant square theta minus 1. So this secant square theta minus 1 can be written as secant square theta. What is your secant identity? 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. When we take 1 to right hand side, tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1, and secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now here we want to convert this secant in terms of tangent. Why? Because of our requirement. Our requirement is only in terms of tangent, so that's why we have to convert this secant in terms of tangent. Now secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Substitute this value into, and secant square theta minus 1 is tangent square theta. When we multiply, so this is tan square theta plus tangent 4 theta. And what is our right hand side? Right hand side is 6. So this is the proof of this question. Now next part is again left hand side equal to right hand side we want to prove. Now when we take here this left hand side, then this term is tangent theta minus cot theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. First convert tangent and cot in terms of sin and cos, and tangent theta can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta, and whole divisible by sin theta into cos theta. So what is the LCM? LCM is here sin theta into cos theta, and this term is sin square theta minus cos square theta, and whole divisible by sin theta into cos theta. So these terms can be written as this: sin square theta minus cos square theta, sin theta into cos theta, and sin theta into cos theta. So this term is sin square theta into cos square theta. When we separate these terms, sin square theta divided by sin square theta into cos square theta minus cos square theta divided by sin square theta into cos square theta. Sin square theta cancel out, cos square theta cancel out. So 1 upon cos square theta. Reverse of cos is secant square theta, and reverse of sin is cosecant square theta. So this term is equal to secant square theta minus cosecant square theta, and this is equal to our right hand side, and this is the proof of this question. So